maybe a short video just to proclaim that this Commodore model SR4148 electronic slide rule, made in the USA circa 1975, I think, is now charging nicely. It's working, not a problem. You've got 10-digit display, plus you've got exponents, and you can do all sorts of things. You can play with the exponents, you can change the positioning and so on. Very, very nice. Pi calculation and so on. Bit of vintage maths retro, love it. I did not buy the charger with it originally, and was able to find a charger on eBay, an original Commodore. This is a UK model, 708, which is exactly what is advised here, 708. 707, I think that's the US model, and 709 if you happen to be in West Germany. Interestingly, perhaps you can hear that buzz. Yeah, it's old school transformer. It's getting a bit warm, but I guess that's to be expected from the UK's 220 volt supply down to 6 volts. This came in a non-functioning state. It was, well, as you'd expect, because of the current requirements to make the display work with LEDs, disposable batteries tended to be a bit more of an expensive, but renewable option. And a lot of these early calculators came with an AC adapter, so you'd have a DC voltage to drive the calculator. It's also charging the battery inside. That meant that there was rechargeable batteries, in this case 3 AA side NiCad batteries. And I'll try to insert some pictures in this video to kind of show you what it looked like on the inside. Suffice to say, it was death by chemistry. The batteries had died, so I pulled them out, swapped them over, cleaned it all up, and yeah, I'm now enjoying my vintage 1975 calculator. Really, really nice. It's fantastic. Anyway, thought I'd share that little bit of history, and yeah, as I say, I'll try and embed some photographs of what it looked like on the inside. It was a straightforward clean up, replace the battery, and turn it on and use it. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.